Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2022 LDV D90, stock number 7007. It's ran from the 2nd 2020 to the 4th 2024. There's an SV9A 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the SV9A 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 19-inch factory aluminum flat tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory aluminum tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory aluminum tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 19-inch factory aluminum tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter with our AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, rear mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,